Welcome to JioGST Wizard. JioGST Wizard provides you a complete solution for all your GST related compliances in one place. JioGST Wizard is a Windows-based utility that enables data uploads using input of any existing billing or accounting application or direct manual invoice entry. Users who have existing accounting or billing software can download their data files, post which they can map the data with the templates on the JioGST Wizard. Small traders can simply enter their sales and purchase data directly to Wizard. The data would then be compatible as per GSTN. Let's begin with the steps involved in the data upload process on the JioGST Wizard. In the first step, you have to select the JSTN for template mapping. Thereafter, select the required template. Create mapping between the template and your data file. Finally, upload the data file. To begin with, register on the JioGST.com. Download Wizard from the JioGST portal. After successful registration and download, you can log into Wizard and begin your compliance journey. Let's begin with the first step of JioGST Wizard process. Select the JSTN for template mapping. Once you log in, you can select a JSTN for template mapping. After selecting JSTN, you have to select the required template. Here, you can either select inward or outward supply. To begin with, click on the Templates tab. From the drop-down, click on Outward Supply Sales from the Template tab. We are now in the Outward Receipt tab. Here, click on Sales Register. You can now select the file to be mapped with the sales template. Next step is to map the template and your data file. Now, you can either start a new mapping, else if you already mapped a file, then you just need to import the map template. In this case, Create a new mapping option has been selected. Here, user needs to select the file format of the sales register. You can map using one of these file options. In this case, click on Excel. Start mapping the fields in the file with those of the template. Define the mapping name. Once the file is selected, you can start mapping the fields in the file with those of the template. The three fields as seen in the template include Wizard Input Fields, Icon Highlighting Mandatory Fields, Fields as defined in the user file. Next, click on the drop-down beside GSTN or UIN. Please note, all the mandatory fields are required to be mapped. Here, select the field which has GSTN or UIN in your data file. Similarly, you can map all the mandatory records. Once you have mapped all the fields with the template, Wizard provides you with the preview option. Preview all the fields and then click on Save. Immediately, Saved Successfully message will appear on the screen. Click OK. Once successfully saved, the template will then be visible in the Sales Register template. Other outward supplies templates as required by GST law are also available on the screen. Sales Register, Amendment to Sales Register, Credit and Debit Note, Amendment to Credit and Debit Note, Advances, Amendment to Advances, Invoice against Advance, nil rated or exempted or non-GST supplies. In the Enter Invoice tab, Wizard provides you with two options: outward supply and inward receipt details. Click on Outward Supply. Now, on your screen, you can view the invoice upload format. Please note, small traders with a few inward or outward invoices can directly enter invoices in the system. Similar upload process is available for inward supplies. For inward supply, please use the tab Purchase Register. Other inward supply templates as required by GST law are also available on this screen. Purchase Register. Amendment to Purchase Register. Debit and Credit Note. Amendment to Debit and Credit Note. ISD Credit. TDS Credit. TCS Credit. Deferred ITC Credit. Purchase Advances. Amendment to Purchase Advances. ITC Reversal. Amendment to ITC Reversal. Since you have mapped the template and your data file, let's begin the upload process. You can now upload the mapped sales register. To perform this activity, click the Upload Data tab. It enables you to upload outward as well as inward supplies. In order to upload the mapped sales register, click on the Sales Register template from the outward supply. Here, all the already mapped sales register templates would be available for selection. Select the template. Next, provide the source file of the sales register. To do so, click on Browse. Immediately, a window for file selection will appear on the screen. Select the required file and click on Open. Post adding the data source, enter the financial period. Click on the Month drop-down icon. Next, select Month from the drop-down. Select the year from the drop-down. After entering the financial period, click on Upload. You are now on the File Upload screen. After uploading the file, the JioGST validates it on the basis of the following criterions: Mapping validation, Structural validation. In case you want to import an existing template from another JioGST, Wizard provides you with this facility too. The users do not have to create the same template again. Here, click on Import from Existing Mapping. Immediately, a list of JioGSTs will appear on the screen. Here, select the JioGST and then select the template you want to use for mapping. Next, provide a mapping name for this template and then click OK. Wizard will automatically copy the template and successfully map it. Click OK. Let's quickly look at other features of the Wizard. Dashboard, Reconciliation, Update Profile, Knowledge Center and Expert Corner functionalities have been extended from the JioGST platform for your convenience. In this video, you have seen the entire journey of Wizard and covered: first, Wizard download; second, GST template selection; third, data fields mapping; fourth, uploading the data to JioGST for your GST compliance; fifth, other features or USPs. Download the JioGST Wizard and upload any system file very easily for your GST compliance.